Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Adobe account so you can start buying, installing, and using everything in the Adobe ecosystem, like Photoshop and Lightroom. First, head over to adobe.com. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button at the top right, then select Create an Account. Enter your email and set a password for your account, then hit Continue. On the next screen, just fill in your name and date of birth and click Create Account. Now check your email for a verification code and enter it here. Once that's verified, you'll be automatically logged in, and your Adobe dashboard should look something like this. These days, installing Adobe software is a bit different. You don't download individual installers anymore. Instead, to keep things organized and make updates easier, you'll need to install the Creative Cloud Desktop app first, and then manage your other software from there. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Install Creative Cloud Desktop. An installer will download to your computer. Double-click that file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your Mac password if prompted. The process is almost identical on Windows. Once Creative Cloud Desktop is ready, head to the Apps tab to find the software you need, then follow the prompts to buy or install it. If you purchased a license key from a third-party seller, they'll provide you with a redemption code. You can activate it at redeem.adobe.com. Just enter the code there, restart Creative Cloud Desktop to sync the changes, and then you're ready to install your software and start creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.